darlings, this is your integers test. If you happen to open this when you're not in class with me right now, with me watching, you need to close it right now. Okay? You'll get in big trouble for cheating, so don't go forward unless I am telling you to open this, your camera is on, and your teacher is watching. So that's Miss McKinney, Miss Roper, or Miss Elliott should be watching you with your camera on for the entire time you have this test. All right, awesome. This is a test grade, so make sure that you do your best. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to type our academic integrity and principled action statements. It says that you have not given anybody any help on this, and you have not gotten any help. You may not use your notes that we wrote in class, but you can use a blank sheet of scratch paper and something to write with. You may not open any other websites, so make sure that you're doing that properly. The first question, describe in words how you know the sign of the answer when you're multiplying and dividing integers. Make sure you include directions for all sign combinations. In words, describe how you add integers. Make sure you include directions for all possible sign combinations. Positive plus positive, negative plus negative, and then positive plus negative. Describe how you turn a subtraction problem into an addition problem, making sure that you include directions for all possible sign combinations. So in the middle, there might be minus a negative or minus a positive. Tell us what happens. All right, next we're going to use the magic number card game format. So remember, you can add, subtract, multiply, and divide, and any sorts of combinations as you need. And so any card can be negative or positive as you need it. You can use each card up to 2 times, so no more than twice, and you do not have to use every card. You're going to use the cards to write a math expression that equals positive 12. You have a 3, an 8, a 1, and another 3. Next, use the cards to write a math expression that makes negative 12. So you want to make a negative 12 with these cards. Next, you're going to use the following cards to write a math expression that equals positive 10. Use these cards to make positive 10. Next, you're going to use the next set of cards to write a math expression that makes negative 10. You're using these cards to make negative 10. And our last question is to use the following cards to write a math expression that makes negative 16. So use these cards to make negative 16. All right, so some final words. You need to give me about a week to grade these tests. It's going to be pretty intensive to read all these equations. And also you need to note that your average in like the grades of Edpuzzle and the average grade on Google Classroom will no longer be correct. So you need to make sure that you are checking your grades in Ascender. Right now, weird thing I know, you need to look into your camera and wave goodbye to me so that I know that you're finished. After that, you're going to submit your test and log out of Zoom. You don't have any classwork to do. You can play Prodigy for 15 minutes, and that's it for the rest of math. Great job!